In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset calendar.google.com. Ever felt the need to refresh your Google Calendar by removing all the clutter? Maybe start from scratch to get a better grip on your scheduling? Well, you've come to the right place. Resetting your Google Calendar isn't as daunting as it sounds, and I'm here to walk you through every step of the way. Let's dive in and have your calendar looking neat and tidy in no time. First things first, you'll need to log into your Google Calendar. Simply head over to the Google Calendar login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. After you've filled in your credentials, click the Next button to proceed. This is your first step towards a cleaner slate. Once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to your Google Calendar for the month of October 2024. It may seem like a specific time frame, but don't worry, the process is the same regardless of the current date. Seeing all your appointments and events laid out, you're one step closer to the reset. The next step involves a bit of navigation. Look for the Settings option, which you can usually find in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will take you to the Settings menu, where the magic really starts to happen. Within the Settings menu, it's time to hone in on your specific calendar. You'll see a list of all your calendars on the left-hand side. Click on the calendar you wish to reset. This action will open up a bunch of settings specific to that calendar, but don't let it overwhelm you. We're focusing on one thing only today. As you scroll through the calendar settings, keep an eye out for the Delete option. It might feel a little hidden, lurking towards the bottom of the menu, but it's there. Once you've found it, give it a click. A moment of pause, a deep breath maybe. This is the point of no return. After clicking Delete, you'll be prompted with a final confirmation step. Here you'll need to click on Permanently Delete. It's crucial to understand that this action is irreversible. Once you confirm this deletion, all the events, appointments and reminders within that calendar will be gone for good. So, make sure this is indeed what you want before clicking. And just like that, you've successfully reset your Google Calendar. It's a clean slate, a fresh start to organize your time more effectively. From here, you can begin to repopulate it with your events, appointments and reminders, hopefully in a more organized manner. A few tips before I let you go. Consider categorizing your events into different calendars for better management. Also, take advantage of Google Calendar's color coding feature to visually distinguish between different types of events. Lastly, regularly reviewing and decluttering your calendar can prevent the need for a complete reset in the future. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now more comfortable with resetting your Google Calendar. Feel free to drop any questions or share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Here's to a more organized and productive life.